What's going on, YouTube? So today we're going to do a small little mod on the S4. I was looking on the forums and I still have the OEM coolant pump, and there's a little trick where you cut one of the sensor wires, I believe it is, and it sends the pump into emergency mode, which flows the coolant pump at 100%. So I want that. It's been shown to reduce intake temperatures and help cool the motor a lot more and all that. So I'm just going to get right down to it. Right here is where the collection of wires is that you're going to need to open up. There is 3 wires here. Now I'm working with a B8 S4, not a B8.5, so I'm not sure if it's good for the newer ones. But there's 3 wires here. We've got a yellow wire with a red stripe, a full brown wire, and then a yellow wire with a blue stripe. So let's see if you guys can see that. I suck at using the camera, so I don't know. Anyway, we have to cut the yellow one with the blue stripe. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some electrical tape, cut that one, bend the wires back, tape both ends, and then get some vulcanized tape, which is waterproof, and I'm going to go over that. Basically make it like an OEM finish. Therefore, it does not get any water into it, and it doesn't break on me. So I'm going to walk you guys through that real quick. Alright, wire is cut. Wow, you can't really see it. Anyway, there it is. It's cut right there. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it back, tape both sides, and then get some of that vulcanized tape, wrap it around, make it a very nice finish. There it is. I have some electrical tape secured around there. Now I'm going to go get some waterproof tape and get it all around that part so it doesn't leak and mess up my car. So there we go. For the moment of truth, let's see if the car starts. Don't tell me it's gonna blow up, Steven. All right. Well, it started. Sounds kind of weird. Oh, okay, let's see what's going on. Sounds weird. Rock Hero has terrible fit in it. So here's what I got. Just got this at Home Depot. The auto parts store didn't have it, but it's got some cool little features. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Below 60, seals wet, dry leaks, whatever. But yeah, so I'm just gonna basically wrap it around with this. And there it is. Got the waterproof, water resistant, whatever tape right here around it. And I secured both the ends of the wire. So now it should be good to drive on the road in the wet, in the really hot, whatever. I don't have a data logger, so I can't really see the difference, but like I said before, people have noticed about 15 degrees difference on their intake temps when they pull. So hopefully it's better. It's just one of those things where I'm just going to have to notice it on the butt dyno. So, well, that's the end of that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little mod for the S4. I will try to do some more like this just because I know everyone out there wants to do these little ones that are pretty simple and you don't have to have crazy mods to do them. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.